guys, it's me, Jessica DeLeon, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little bit of a James Avery unboxing. Yay! It came to a point where I felt that I was done putting charms on my charm bracelet. I have been doing this bracelet since like 2013, 2014. I was ready to start a new bracelet. So that's what I did. If you're interested to see what I got in this little mini James Avery haul, then keep on watching. I want to just jump right in. I don't want to waste too much time. I'm going to show you what I got. So here is the beat up old bag that has been sitting on top of my shelf for like the last 3 or 4 months. And I finally get to unbox this for you guys. Yay! Let's just go ahead and pull out the tape tab. And inside you can see two, maybe not, there you go, 2 boxes. So I'm just gonna pull one out. So it just comes in a little boxy box like this. Just their signature kind of, I don't know what color I would call that, like a corally orange. So I'm gonna just pop the top off, and inside is a little jewelry bag. And they always come with a card. There you go. There's just comes with that card. And it has a few things in here about James Avery. Just says that they began designing and creating quality crafted jewelry in 1954. So wow, 30 years before I was ever even born. And today we proudly continue this tradition by bringing you meaningful designs to love for generations, and that is so true. So anyway, yeah, you can just go on their website if you want to know or learn more about James Avery. And that is a picture of James Avery himself, the founder. I got a really sweet little message a couple months back from one of James Avery's children, his son, who said something to the effect that he would be very proud of the video that I was doing, and just like the support and, you know, all that kind of stuff, the love that I have for James Avery jewelry. And wow, that was like, whoa, huge moment. I was like, it might as well have been James Avery himself saying that. Just thought I'd tell you guys that, because that was a really cool moment in my little YouTube creator life. Now let's just see what's in it, okay? Ooh, it's a ring. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. Look at the design on the side there. It's like a little diamond etched into the band. Love that. Super cute. And I don't remember the exact name of it. I know it's like the Butterfly Festival ring. That may be it, but I'll just go ahead and put all the deets up here, right in here somewhere. So yeah, this is the, I believe, the Mariposa Festival ring or the Butterfly Festival ring. But let me just try it on for you guys. I'm gonna put it on this finger. How freaking cute is that? Like, yes, I love this ring. It couldn't be cuter if it was made out of diamonds. Like, seriously. It's so freaking cute. But yeah, I cannot wait to wear this with all my other rings. Love you. So cute. I can't stand it. Ooh. The next thing I'm going to take out of this bag. This one's a little heavy. It's got a few things in here. Woo! Shake it all out. Oh, it's so cute. Okay guys, there we are. There is the bracelet. What do you guys think? That one says to the moon and back. And then I have a little half crescent moon with a little star. And it's a dangly star too, it moves. You can see that. And then I've got this bull skull with a rose, a couple of roses actually. There's one little one here and a large one right about there. So yeah, and I love the heart. I just think it's so stinking cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is my new bracelet that I'm starting. I'm so excited about it. I will put what size the chain is up here and just, you know, details about each one of these charms as well. And yeah, I just super love it. So if you guys have never really seen my other bracelet, let me go ahead and show you my other bracelet. You guys have probably heard it before in some of my videos, but this is my original bracelet that I've had for years and years and years. Okay. And like I said, I feel like this is enough for me. I didn't feel like I needed to put more on here. I like the way that it is now. I like the colors. I like kind of just, I think it's finished. For me, it's complete. Super cute bracelet. So that is my current finished bracelet. And here it is next to my new bracelet. The heart does open on this bracelet, so you can put charms all through here. I don't know that I'm going to put anything other than what's on there, and definitely going to be getting some new charms for some more charms to put on here. They now allow you to customize these finials, so I think my next one is going to be a customized finial that I put together myself. And so yeah, I'm excited. I think that's going to be like my first piece of color on here, and because I have to have balance, I'll probably get two at once and put one here and here, and that way there's balance there, because as you see, I've done that on this one. And I probably will just be putting the charms on these little twisted links, most likely. And then that'll probably be enough for me once they're all filled. I don't think I'm going to go for the longer links in there. Yeah, I can't wait to finish this bracelet. Let me just show you kind of what it's going to look like. I can't wait to actually wear it full on. Like, I'm so excited. Yay, it's super cute. Whoa. I'm just going to show you guys really quick all my rings, just if anybody's interested. Okay, so here's all of my rings to date, including my new Mary Post-it one. These have all been unboxed in another video. And then there's the two middle finger rings. So that is my ring. And so here's all of the jewelry. I'll be walking around looking like the James Avery jewelry advertisement, right? But yeah, that's everything, guys. My full James Avery ring and bracelet collection and all my charms. I love it, love it, love it. They know I'm an enthusiast. They know I love James Avery. There's no doubt about that. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Mwah.